looks like... Oh my god, did you hear? He just made a noise to us. He's like...
I think we should help the bird, right? The baby bird.
Maybe his leg is a little bit hurt.
No,
I don't know.
it's good if we help him, right?
Yeah, but how are we gonna pick him up?
No, I can't pick him up. It's okay.
We can't pick it up with our hands. Make sure when you're helping a bird, you have to have an adult with you. Cause
Here, look.
oh, so cute! It's just like the rat.
You wanna see?
No. Guys, when you help them, make sure your parents are.
I'm holding like a very softly, right?
Yeah. Maybe we should
Because
give him some water.
I don't want to hurt the bird.
Maybe we should give him some water from there. Maybe we should go fill up some water. Like, just get the horse.
No, but we don't know if the baby birds they drink water or not, right?
They do. Cause I one time saw a baby bird and I fed them water. I fed them water. No. Guys, look at the other ones.
So they are
And
almost
also.
they are almost ready to fly, I guess.
Yeah. Say we didn't water. I think we should give them water. Oh, he's looking at the camera, you guys. Hello. Guys, look. The other one is raising his head up. I think he wants to get out. Oh my gosh.
They are missing this bird, right?
That's so happy. He's staring at us, like literally staring at us. Papa, be careful. You have no shoes on.
This nest is so small for them.
Yeah, maybe God will give sense to the mama bird to build another big nest.
But I don't know if this one is, if this is okay to put this bird over there. Never know if it fell down.
He
Okay?
just said, guys, I don't know, but if you guys are not hearing that, I think I can hear the
See, look. He's walking. This bird is working.
He's so cute. Hi there. Guys, I fed, when the mama bird was here, I put water in that bowl and she drank it all. So I think her babies will also drink it. Guys, did you hear? She's like, guys, the mama bird's over there. Ow. Guys, if you can see.
See, look. He pooped the bird.
Guys, if you can
Look, see.
Yeah, I see. Guys, the mama bird is right there with a worm in her beak. Right there. Look, the mama bird has a worm in her beak. Right there.
Okay. Let's put this bird in the nest.
I think she flies it. Oh, look, you guys.
Oh, baby bird. We are
Guys,
not
look.
hurting it.
Can you show them? No. The baby bird is gonna eat it.
So then what should we do?
Just put it on the floor. Guys, look, the mama bird has a food in her mouth.
Okay. But like, this
Maybe.
bird can fell down from the stairs, right?
Oh my gosh, it's walking. Should we move the bowl? Move the bowl, Papa. They're so cute. I'm so happy. Guys, like I'm kind of a little bit scared because the mama bird is right there.
It's okay, but we are not hurting the bird. We are just saving,
Yeah.
trying to save this big
Guys,
little.
we don't know how to get her, put her back in the nest because the other birds like they open their mouth. So, and look at her wings. They're so a little bit like bigger. And guys,
Let's try one more time to put this
Oh!
little guy over there.
No! Simon, hold the camera, Papa.
It's okay. Just put that guy
In the what?
in the nest.
Guys, look, the mama bird.
Okay. Sai, now come back.
Look,
Now
Papa.
come there, Sai. Okay. So let's go from here.
Yeah. Guys, the mama bird is right there.
Yeah.
With the food in her mouth. I'm so happy. Guys, we're gonna try to show you the mama bird feeding them. So first we're gonna go down a little bit. We're gonna go all the way down.
So now this little bird is in the nest.
Guys, body no ho ja.
Let's go now, okay?
And then, well, guys, trying to show you the mama bird feeding it because it's right there. The mama bird is right there. Guys, body no ho ja. Guys, we're gonna try to show you that the mama bird is trying to feed them. Guys, bita no ho ja. Look, Exo. Exo. Guys, hide. Yeah, Exo. It was kind of sweet having the baby come out of the nest.
Come here. Come here.
Oh my gosh.
Come here.
Ah!
Sai, come here. What bird is right there? Look. Oh no, Papa. Undo photo. Papa, our bird doesn't get any food. I think that's a different bird because it looks even smaller. I think that's the same bird we just rescued. So there is no space now for this little guy.
You might have to go to the store and maybe get another one. Or we can put it hang it somewhere here on the side. Poor guy. He's just standing there. Poor guy.
So what should we do now?
This is not good. Maybe we can build a new one
No, we can't.
somehow.
We can't build.
But still.
Simon.
Yeah. Why is it not moving? I mean, I guess it's
So
moving.
never know if this bird like fell down from here.
Yes, I guess it's like moving a little bit, but it's not moving.
It's quite high from here.
Guys, this is not good. Poor guy. Guys, we have to try to rescue him, but I don't know how because there's no space left. There's no space left. Guys, let's try to put him in again, maybe, or something. He's moving.
Okay, let's put this guy again in.
But what if he falls again?
I know.
Guys, if you...
Oh.
Guys, the bird is right there! She just pooped?
Yeah, maybe.
Did she just poop? I saw poop!
Yeah. See, he's running. He's scared now.
Guys, the bird is on that tree.
Okay, let's go.
Guys,
Let's go
he just
away.
pooped.
Let's go away. Let's see what the mama bird is saying.
Guys, this is not good. Not never good. This is not good to What if someone opened that door? What if mommy opened that door?
Hello.
Or someone? But they always open it back.
Or we can't do anything for this guy.
Yeah. Guys, we're just gonna leave the camera here and maybe we can try to rescue it somehow. Maybe we can get like maybe like a bucket or something. We can put it in there. Maybe a mouse trap.
Okay, come.
No, not a mouse trap.
Come here. Just go a little far away from this house.
We don't want
Let's
to.
see what.
Sorry you guys about that. It's just a phone fell. Guys, we're trying to help this bird, but I don't think there's any way to rescue this because the nest is too small for this bird.
The birds are so big now.
The other ones, except this one is a little bit bigger. It doesn't matter. It's just a little bit little, this one. It's just a little bit younger than the other ones. Poor thing. Guys, we're gonna leave and see what the mama bird can do. If you guys, you guys know what to do. If you guys,
Let's go there, okay?
yeah.
Leave the bird alone. Let's see what the mama bird is gonna do.
I don't think
Come here. Come here. Don't wait from the
Okay, coming. because the wind is so strong. Guys, I really want to help this little bird out, but I don't know if we can. Okay, you guys, so let's see in the next video, part 2, what happens. Bye! Helping the bird! Yeah!